How to log in or sign into the Socratic app on mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the process on how you can log in or sign into the Socratic application on your mobile device. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you have the Socratic application installed and then you want to log in on your mobile phone, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then just make sure to launch the Socratic application here. As you open the app, you're going to see this type of interface where it simply says you to sign in to continue. So you want to make sure to just tap the sign in to continue option over here, and then you just need to select the Google account that you might want to sign in with. So just go ahead and then select that option, and now you can see I have successfully signed in. I can allow the application to access my camera in order so that I can go ahead and then use them respectively over here as well. I can just tap the three lines option and I can see my current account. I can also choose to log out of this account if I like, and this way I can log into the Socratic application on my mobile phone. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.